What's up, everyone? Drew, aka Catching Rockets here. I hope y'all had a good day. I had a pretty phenomenal day. Market was pretty choppy in the beginning, or maybe just pretty choppy overall. Traded live, called out some decent trades. Trying to think what else. I also bought shares of Kraft, and I bought some more shares of Intel. If you were with me live, I called out this here as a long. The market kind of did what I was looking for from yesterday. We opened above the single prints, and I was looking for a bounce off of them, but we sold off lower and then bounced. I was looking for them to make a new, or I was looking for them to go higher than this. However, on this next bounce here, was it here? I don't feel like it was there. I think it was here. This one here, we called out live on YouTube and said to close it. I don't remember the exact level, but I think I said to close it right around here. So anyway, we caught like a nice 1 point move live on YouTube, which was pretty good considering the choppiness of the day. And then I called out live here in Keenan's Discord when we tapped this level to grab calls. With that said, I have to be really quick today. I'm starting late. I'm not going to explain why, but I have to get ready for work. So this is going to be a really quick stream. And then Shorty will be live at 9 Eastern tonight to go over update for futures. So definitely tune in for that. I don't really have time to look at the charts very much. To look at chat very much. I apologize. I'm just going to chart this really quick and then run and hop in the shower. B-shaped profile, capital B, and our POC is at the bottom. And also, if you were live with me, we saw some massive orders come in on ES. I think it was institutional selling, but we'll have to see what it was. Oh, wait, let's see. So we can draw SIGs the last 4 days. I also mentioned this in Keenan's. I'm going to be, Keenan's and Shorty's Discords. In July, I'm going to be in Reno, Nevada for 5 days. If anybody's out there, lives out there, hit me up. We can go grab a beer or whatever. All right, let's go look at the big picture on SPY. Excuse me. Decent volume overall, red day. Um, but with a pretty big buying wick at the bottom, or buying tail. Let's see what they're doing on ES. I'm pretty sure we're selling off a little bit. Yeah, so we even gapped down in the 1 hour the market was closed. They bought it back up, and now they're selling off. Between 601 and 600 on SPY right now. Let's see what news we have tomorrow. Okay. Hour before the open, we have core PPI, PPI month over month, unemployment claims, and that's really it. We'll get a big move pre-market from those, which always makes doing analysis for the next day fun. All right, I think I already know what I want. This should make sense to everybody. If we open below this, look for puts there, okay? And I would close. Actually, this is going to be pretty tight because there's a chance you should close at third sig. There's a chance they hit single prints. If they do, this is where you would reverse and go into calls. If we open here, then you're looking for something like this. Okay. Let's just look at our monthly cloud really quick. I'm sure it's still closed. Yeah. We just rejected from the daily top. Basically perfectly. I'm going to do this that way for people that are not watching this or don't watch this and just look at my screenshots. They have some kind of clue of what I'm talking about. But we don't have a whole lot of room for downside right there. Just a heads up. Alrighty. That'll do it. I'm going to post the link, give you guys a second to ask questions just in case you have any. And then I'm going to dip out and go get ready for work. Alrighty. Doesn't look like we have any questions. So with that said, I'm going to cut this really short. I got to run. Much love, much respect, everybody. If you're new, I would love a sub. Basically, 5 days a week, we go over what we're watching for the next day on Spy. And then if I see any, I'll also share option setups that I'm watching. So with that said, much love, much respect. Peace out, y'all. We will see you tomorrow.